Morning students. So we have finished our first chapter. So we move on to the next chapter. That is, the next chapter's name is acids, bases and salts. This is the chapter number 5. That is in chemistry. It is chapter number 2. Okay. So acids, bases and salts. In our daily life, we use various edible items, isn't it? We use various edible items like, for example, lemon juice, then citrus juice, other juice, for example, orange juice, then tamarind, curd, then salt, sugar, etc. So we are using different kinds of edible substances. Do they have the same taste? No, they have a different taste, isn't it? So let us recall some of the substances and their taste. Okay, we can write some substances and their taste. Okay, we can write here substances and their taste. So first one, lemon juice. What is the taste of lemon juice? Yeah, it is sour in taste. No, it is sour in taste. Then sugar. What is the taste of sugar? It is sweet. No, it is sweet. Then we can take another example, orange juice. Orange juice, what is the taste of orange juice? It is sweet and sour. It is sweet and sour. Sour and sweet, isn't it? It is sour and sweet. Then next another example, grapes. What is the taste of grapes? It is sweet and or sour and sweet. Sour and sweet in taste. Then common salt. What is the taste of common salt? It is salty, isn't it? It is salty taste. Then baking soda. Baking soda we are using for making dosha and all. We are using baking soda. Baking soda, what is the taste? It is bitter in taste, isn't it? It is bitter in taste. Bitter taste. Then take another example, apple. So what is the taste of apple? It is also sweet and sour and sweet. Sour and sweet. Then any other example? Okay, vinegar. What is the taste of vinegar? Vinegar is also sour in taste. Isn't it? So all these are different substances. They have a different taste. See, lemon juice, they are sour in taste. Sugar, they are sweet in taste. Then orange juice, it is sweet and or sour and sweet. Grapes, it is also sour and sweet. Common salt, it is salty. Baking soda, it is bitter in taste. Apple, it is sour and sweet. Vinegar, sour in taste. Then curd, what about curd? Curd is also sour in taste, isn't it? So some substances are sour in taste, some substances are sweet, some substances are salty, some substances are bitter in taste, some are sour and sweet, isn't it? So they have a different taste. Now we are going to study about, so these are the taste. Now we are going to study about some substances which are sour in taste. Some substances which are sour in taste. So what we call for that substances? The substances which are sour in taste, they are called acids. They are called acids. You know, lemon juice, it contains some acid. Then orange juice, it contains some acids. Then tamarind, it contains some acid. So why they are sour in taste? Because they contain some acids. A particular acid is there. So the substances which are sour in taste are called acids. They are called acids. The substances which are sour in taste are called acids. Then this acid is derived from the Latin word acidus. Acidus, it means it is derived from the Latin word. So Latin word acidus, which means sour. Which means sour. It means sour in taste. And a number of acids are there. So acids can be further classified into. There are two types of acids are there. Two types of acids are there. That is first one. That is natural acids, or otherwise called organic acid. Organic acids, or it is otherwise known as natural acids. Natural acids. And the second one is inorganic, or otherwise called mineral acids. Mineral acids, or otherwise it is called man-made acid, or synthetic acid, or laboratory acids. We can call them in different names. That is mineral acids. It is otherwise known as synthetic acid, and or man-made acid, or it is also known as laboratory acids. I will tell you why it is called laboratory acid. Okay. First we are going to discuss about organic acids. So the name itself, you know, it is also called natural acids. Why it is called natural acids? Because they are the acids which are obtained from plants and animals, or they are obtained from nature. They are present in plants and animals. Acids which are obtained from plants and animals, they are called organic acids or natural acids. Organic acids or natural acids. Now let us list out some of the substances and their the organic acid present in those plants and animals that we will discuss now. Okay. So let us see some of the organic acids and the source of the organic acids. Okay, and the source of the organic acids. So first we can write the organic acid here, and their source, from where we are getting from in nature. First acid. Organic acids are many others. So first one, it is very familiar acid, that is called citric acid. Citric acid. You know from where we are getting this citric acid? That is from citrus fruits. Citrus fruits. What is citrus fruits? Citrus fruits like lemon, orange, etc. Lemon, orange, they contain citric acid. So citric acid. Then lactic acid. All these are organic acids. So first one is citric acid, second one lactic acid. From where we are getting lactic acid? That is curd. Curd contains what? Lactic acid. Lactic acid. Okay. Lactic acid is another organic acid. Then the third one, ascorbic acid. All these are organic acid. Ascorbic acid. The other name of ascorbic acid is vitamin C. So ascorbic acid, where it is found? Ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is found in amla. You know amla, gooseberry, amla, and then citrus fruits also contain what? Citrus fruits also contain ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. It is very good for the health. You know, nowadays we can use this gooseberry juices. If we mix gooseberry juice with jaggery, you know, so that is very helpful, and it gives, you know, during these days, that is during these corona days, we can use this juice at least 25 ml. 25 ml. 25 ml means 5 spoon. 5 spoon if you are using daily, then that will give you more resistance power towards the coronaviruses, because this vitamin C is very efficient, very essential for this for the health. So ascorbic acid that is found in amla and citrus fruits. Then next is also very common, that is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Where it is found acetic acid? You know, vinegar. You know, vinegar contains acetic acid. Vinegar. Vinegar is, it is 5 to 7% of acetic acid is called vinegar. Vinegar. You know, pickles contain vinegar. So many cases we are using vinegar. Then the fifth one is malic acid. Malic acid. You know, malic acid is found in apple. That is found in apple. Malic acid is found in apple. Then a number of acids. Sorry, sixth one. Oxalic acid. You know, oxalic acid. Oxalic acid, where it is found? Oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is found in spinach, then tomato, guava fruits, etc. All these contain oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is found in spinach, tomato, and guava. Then tartaric acid. You know, tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is found in tamarind. Then unripe mangoes. All these contain what? Tartaric acid. So these are some of the organic acids and their sources. Citric acid is found in citrus fruits, lemon, orange, etc. That is lactic acid is found in curd. Ascorbic acid is amla and citrus fruits. Acetic acid is found in vinegar. Malic acid in apple. Oxalic acid in spinach, tomato, guava fruits, etc. And then tartaric acid, tamarind, then unripe mangoes. And in addition to this, there are some other acids are there. You know, you heard about DNA. DNA is found in DNA. You heard about DNA? DNA is found in all the human, that is our body contain DNA, and it is essential for, you know, DNA determines the height of the person, the color of the eye, and also the looks, etc. All these DNA will decide. What is DNA? DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Nucleic acid, that is called DNA. DNA is another acid. It is found in all over, that is in all human beings. It contains DNA, and also you heard about fatty acids. Our fat contain what? Fatty acids. Our fat contain fatty acids. So all these are different organic acids, and their sources are there. Okay. So what is organic acid? Organic acids are found in plants and animals. They are found in plants and animals. And one more acid, that is formic acid. Formic acid, you heard about formic acid. Formic acid. Formic acid, that is found in ants. That is found in ants. And the stinging hairs of nettle leaves, that also contain what? Formic acid. Formic acid is otherwise known as methanoic acid. The other name of formic acid is methanoic acid. So the nettle leaves also contain methanoic acid. So when we touch with that formic acid, the stinging hair of nettle leaves, when they touch our body, they inject methanoic acid and we feel burning or irritation. So because when they are injecting to our body, we feel irritation because they are injecting methanoic acid. Okay. And the next acid, that is, acids are two types, that is organic acid and mineral acids. The second one is mineral acids. Mineral acids are the acids which are found in minerals of the earth, or which are obtained from the minerals of the, or we can prepare these acids from the minerals of the earth. They are called a mineral acids. So these mineral acids are, I told you that they are also known as human made acid. They are also called a human made acid, or it is also called synthetic acid. Synthetic acid or laboratory acid, because laboratory acid. Why? Because these acids are used in laboratory for various experiments, That is why it is called laboratory acid, synthetic acid and human made acid. And these are prepared from the minerals of the earth. And some common mineral acids are, the important mineral acids are, first one is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. It is represented by H2SO4. That is the formula of sulfuric acid. And second one, hydrochloric acid. It is represented by the symbol HCl. And third one, nitric acid. It is represented by HNO3. So these are the common mineral acids, that is sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. And these mineral acids are they are very dangerous acid. We cannot use these acids with do not touch these acids with our bare hands, because it is highly corrosive in nature. It is highly dangerous. It may cause burns. So care should be taken while if we are dealing with these acids. So these are highly corrosive in nature. So so these are called mineral acids. So acids are of two types, organic acid and mineral acids. Organic acids are the acids which are obtained from the plants and animals, and mineral acids are prepared, that is, which are obtained from the minerals of earth and which are prepared from the minerals of earth, and it is also called human made acid or synthetic acid, or it is also called laboratory acids. And these are the acids which are normally used in laboratory, that is sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. All these are very strong acid. It is strong and it is dangerous acid, so care should be taken. You have to care should be taken while if we are dealing with these acids, okay, because they are highly corrosive in nature. So these are the acids, and then we will discuss dilute and concentrated acids are there, that we will discuss in the next class. So hope you understood all these concepts, what are acids, what are the different types of acids.